Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Let's talk about chips. No, not those type of chips or those type of chips if you're in the UK. In this video, I'm going to be discussing semiconductor chips, and I'm actually going to reveal to you guys my top 2 stocks in the semiconductor chip industry. Now, semiconductors are all around us in our day-to-day lives, from our mobile phone to our computer to our iPad. They're ubiquitous in our lives. Even our car is packed with semiconductors these days, and that resulted in 2020 in a global chip shortage of semiconductors, and this caused many of the stocks to go parabolic. And even electric vehicle companies such as NIO had to shut down their factories because they didn't have enough semiconductor chips. So the basics of business all rely on supply and demand, and we know there's a hell of a lot of demand right now for semiconductor chips. So what are my top 2 semiconductor stocks? Well, that's what I'm going to be revealing to you guys in this video. So be sure to watch this video all the way till the end, and I think you'll like what I've got for you. So before we get right into it, guys, if you do appreciate the value in this video, if you do like investing tips and exclusive stock market picks, of which I'm personally investing into, then feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And if you do find any value in this video, you appreciate all the research which has gone into it, then feel free to give this video an early thumbs up, and that helps out tremendously with the channel. Remember, guys, first link in the description below if you do want to check out our Ultimate Investing Strategy course or even join our VIP membership group. With that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so I've given you guys a few of my opinions on the semiconductor industry, but now let's dive into the cold hard facts. So according to PwC, we expect the market for AI related semiconductors to grow from the current $6 billion in revenues to more than $30 billion by 2022. That's a compound annual growth rate of almost 50%. So this industry is growing massively. There's also political consideration. So China has recently announced to be investing billions and billions of dollars into the semiconductor industry in China in order to become independent of Taiwan. And Biden has, of course, responded by also investing a lot into the semiconductor industry. So Biden needs more than $52 billion to counter China in chip. Now, this basically goes back to the schoolyard. If you can do it, I can do it better. And this really is the whole battle between the US and China. These are the 2 juggernauts of the world, and they're always battling it out in every different industry. So kicking things off, stock number 1 on my list is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSMC. This is on the New York Stock Exchange. The company is, of course, based in Taiwan. The stock has been on a rampage in 2020. So it went from $56 per share. It went up 137%. And why this is incredible is this company is a giant. So this is a $500 billion market cap company. But still, if you were a shareholder in this company, you would have achieved 142% return on your investment over the past year. Now, to me, that's incredible with the minimal risk this company offers. Now, the share price has corrected down at the moment, so it's down around 16%. The company also pays a dividend, 1.88%, but it is also a growing company. Customers of TSMC include Apple, Qualcomm, and many, many more. For example, Apple is TSMC's largest client, accounting for 1/5 of their revenue. If we hop into the metrics real quick for this company, they have fantastic return on capital, 26%, growth rate around 16%, extremely profitable company. They're bringing in billions upon billions upon dollars. So this is a stock which, if they got hit with some bad news and the fundamentals hadn't changed, I would happily load up the truck on this investment. Now, according to this discounted cash flow, it says it's currently at its fair value right now. So ideally, for me personally, I'd like to invest a margin of safety, so around 20% below the current valuation. So really, if the company's share price dropped to less than $90, then I'd happily load up the truck with this investment. So that's my buy point for TSMC. Okay, on to stock number 2, and that is Micron Technology with the ticker symbol MU. And right here we can see just in 2020, the stock went from $40 per share, major bull run, up 90%. However, there has been a correction down now by around 17%. So that's how it's corrected at the moment. Could be a potential buying opportunity. They're headquartered in Idaho in the US, but they have manufacturing in Taiwan and various parts of the world. And basically, this company makes RAM for computers, mobile, cloud computing applications. So if you've ever seen this RAM here, Crucial, and you've ever changed RAM for your computer, random access memory, then most likely the RAM you would have purchased would have been from this company. So this is what this company makes. They also make USB flash drives. But the real interesting thing with this company, the competitive advantage of this company, because I have done a lot of research into this one, is there are only a handful of semiconductor manufacturers with the capability to produce DRAM chips. They are Micron or Crucial, Samsung and Hynix. So there's very few companies who actually can produce these to the quality and the quantity which many customers require. And this is one of those companies. The company also has a heap load of patents. So hopping in here, the company has 44,000 patents. So that's really as a moat around the business and stops many other companies from doing the same thing. So they have a technology advantage and a manufacturing advantage. So the company operates in 17 countries with 13 manufacturing sites and 14 customer labs, and they have over 40,000 team members. So this really is a beast of a company, but one which is also growing quite fast. So their markets include data center, PC and graphics cards, and also mobile and intelligent edge. So with the rollout of 5G, that will benefit this company hugely. The company is also constantly innovating, and they're spending around $2 billion each year on R&D. Now, I did a real deep dive valuation model again for this company for you guys. So hopping into my advanced valuation model, all the factors taken into account, I estimate the value per share to be around $50 per share, and that correlates with another discounted cash flow model. So if the stock dropped to $50 per share or less, then that's when I would load up the truck on Micron Technology. And when I say load up the truck, for me personally, I have a 6-figure portfolio. So for me, loading up the truck, I'd put probably 30K in, 25K in a company like this, assuming the fundamentals haven't changed, but only if the stock drops to around $50 per share and for a reason which doesn't affect the company's fundamentals. Okay, so that's today's video, guys. Those are the top 3 stocks in Manish Pabrai's portfolio, which he has been buying. So if you did find any value in this video, feel free to give this a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet and you do want more investing tips and exclusive stock market picks, of which I'm personally investing into, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. And remember, if you do want to join our Ultimate Investing Strategy course and maybe even our thriving VIP community where you can get access to exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, and my entire investment portfolio, because if you don't find a way to make money work for you while you sleep, you will work until you die. So that's my major motivation to invest. I'd love to know yours. So if you do want to join that group, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below. And I will leave something special for you guys in the description below, and that's a $10 discount coupon code if you want to check that out and actually take your investing game to that next level and become financially free. And with that being said, I hope you guys all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.